bigger than the others. But actually the
We
roller
are
one
in
is
a family suite at the Royalton, so we have double vanities and all the amenities, water, a lit makeup mirror. I don't know why I always love that, but I do. Beautiful shower and all the amenities here as well. So shampoo, body wash and conditioner. You can put a rubber mat down if you feel more comfortable. And there's a rod across that you can string across to hang your bathing suits to drip dry. And there is a waterfall shower head. And here is a large toilet with a phone. This is nice. Now, would this pull out into a bed or?
yeah, sofa bed.
Oh, terrific. And so this would be good for mom and dad and kids, I would guess. So they have a TV as well as this. Look at this beautiful colors. Again with the deep navy and the touches of gold. King size bed. And they have the most awesome lamps. I love these little lamps. So cool. So if you want to read, it just turns over to your edge of the book. And USB ports for your devices, a clock, off and on switch for the fan overhead. And I would imagine there's a mini fridge in here maybe? Yeah. Mm-hmm. So let's have a little peek and see what's in here. So coffee machine and coffee and mini fridge with chips and water, Coors Light, Coca-Cola, Sprite, Diet Coke. And I would assume it's stocked daily. Place for your luggage, telephone, and balcony with a couple of chairs. And this fabulous view. From one end to the other. Today it's a bit cloudy, so not as blue a sky, but there's Royalton. There's the Diamond Club pool that we were viewing earlier. Shays lounges on the beach. You can see the kids club there. Closet has 2 housecoats, an umbrella, and a safe, and it lights up as you step into it. Hairdryer. Perfect. Oh, a steamer for your clothes. Oh, I see. Very nice. I'm in the Diamond Club area. If you choose a room category that has the word diamond in front of it, you have upgraded amenities and you have access to this lounge. So you can sit here quietly and have a cocktail. Don Julio, Belvedere, have a cup of tea, have an espresso, watch some television. And if you've just gotten off a plane and you're feeling a little peckish, you can have a little bite of this and that. Crudité, little teeny sliders. And people do ask me, is it worth it to upgrade? In my opinion, it is. So if you're thinking about going to a resort and there's an opportunity to upgrade, I would definitely do it. A tip from Susan.